Alright, this is for everyone that has a Isuzu rodeo or trooper. I think from I'm not too sure of the years, but if you have one of these and you need to replace the heater coil, the procedure says you need to take the dash out. I'm showing y'all you don't. What you're gonna have to do is move some stuff around and move stuff out. So let me give y'all a little heads up. Alright, heads up is you're gonna have to take all this down here, radio, DVD, I mean not DVD, yeah, DVD or CD player. Gotta take that out. Also gotta take this damn support bracket that's gonna sit right here. You're gonna have to take that out. It's 2 bolts on the bottom, and let me show y'all. You can see at the top, 2 bolts at the top, which gonna be back behind here, up here. It's gonna be hard as hell to be able to get to the bolts, so you gotta kind of work your hand around. And if you got like a bendable ratchet and wrench, then it'll be easy for you to get it out. But at the same time, let me show y'all down here how this stuff gonna be. This one is your AC coil. You gotta take them off from other side of the firewall, as y'all can see. Take them loose. Then once you get them loose, cause it's like this bolt, and that bolt on the bottom. Once you get that loose, just leave it loose, cause you're gonna be able to have room then, so you can start getting this. This is where your heater coil is. That's the heater coil, but it's getting replaced because of these pieces. They broke, so you gotta replace it. So to get the heater coil, top bolt, bottom bolt, another bottom bolt, and there's another top bolt right there. Once you get those bolts loose, because it's going to be sitting right back up in this area. Once you get them loose, take this little slider right here, which connects to here, and this is for to close the flaps and all that stuff. So that's one, and you got another one that's right here that you got to do too. Once you do that, what I did was pull this way, because I seen on videos a couple of them where they pulled them that way, but I pulled it this way. It's easy. You won't get caught on the gas pedal and all that stuff that's over there. Once you get it out, then you know you gotta open this damn box up. I don't know why they made this thing like this. Gotta open all this stuff up just to get to the heater coil. But that's the procedure. You know, get your dash out. I mean, damn. What is this? Glove box. I'm a little tired and I'm hungry, so y'all gotta excuse me. Glove box out the way. This air vent out the way. This little speaker panel. Let me get my finger out the way. Radio piece cover that goes around. And then you'll be straight.
You got back yet, huh?